In this video, you'll learn a simple and effective way to add DocuSign tags to a PDF, helping you streamline your document signing process from start to finish. First, head over to the DocuSign website by opening your preferred browser and typing in www.docusign.com. Once you're on the home page, locate the Login button at the top right corner and sign in using your credentials. If you don't have an account yet, you can quickly create one by following the registration steps. After logging in, you'll land on the DocuSign homepage, which serves as your main dashboard for managing documents. To begin adding tags, select a template. Templates act as reusable forms, saving you time when sending similar documents frequently. Find the Templates option in the menu and choose one that suits your needs. Next, you'll be prompted to enter document details, including signer information and any additional requirements. Make sure everything is accurate to avoid issues later. Once done, click Next to proceed. Now you're ready to add tags. On the right-hand side, click the Add Fields button. This will open a panel on the left side with various tag options, such as signer name, date signed, text fields, checkboxes, and more. Simply drag and drop the desired tags onto your document where needed, adjusting their size and position as necessary. Repeat this process until all required fields are added. Once you're satisfied, review the document to ensure everything is correctly placed and ready for signing. That's it! Your document is now fully prepared for a smooth and professional electronic signing experience using DocuSign. If you found this helpful, don't forget to check out more tutorials to boost your productivity.